UI design. The foundation of digital product design. It involves the creation of the visual interface, the screens, buttons, icons, and typography that a user interacts with. Learning UI design begins with mastering a tool like Figma. The process starts with wireframing, which is the creation of a simple, structural outline of a product using basic shapes and text. This evolves into high-fidelity mockups, where you replicate existing products down to the pixel to develop a sense of spacing, color, and alignment. Figma. A primary tool for UI and UX design. It allows designers to create wireframes, high-fidelity mockups, and interactive prototypes. Its key features include components, which are reusable design elements, and auto layout, which creates responsive designs that adapt to their content. Figma also enables prototyping by connecting different screens to demonstrate user flow. User experience design. A process focused on enhancing user satisfaction by improving the usability, accessibility, and pleasure provided in the interaction with a product. A common framework is the double diamond process, which structures work into 4 phases: discover, define, develop, and deliver. However, in practice, this process is flexible and adapts to project needs. The double diamond process. A design process model that divides work into 2 phases: problem space and solution space. The first diamond covers discovering a problem and defining it. The second diamond involves developing solutions and delivering a final product. It emphasizes divergent thinking, to explore many possibilities, and convergent thinking, to focus on the best ones. Product design. A broader discipline than UX design. It encompasses the entire process of creating a product that is not only usable but also viable for the business and feasible to build. It requires a business perspective, focusing on market needs, revenue potential, and strategic goals. A common mistake is designing a project with an unrealistic scope, like a full e-commerce app, instead of a feasible addition to an existing product. Accountability structure. A system to maintain progress in self-directed learning. This is crucial when not enrolled in a formal course. An effective method is to find accountability partners, set shared goals in a spreadsheet, and hold regular meetings to review progress, successes, and challenges. This provides external motivation beyond internal drive. Networking. The most critical skill for securing your first client projects. It involves building professional relationships that can lead to opportunities. This is a learnable skill, not an innate trait. Effective strategies include attending industry events, participating in exclusive communities, and leveraging existing connections. Personal branding. The practice of marketing yourself and your career as a brand. It is not about announcing achievements, but about sharing your journey, learnings, failures, and successes in a way that provides value to others. This builds credibility and visibility over the long term. Pitching and sales. The skill of offering your design services by focusing on how you can help a client or their product. The mindset shift is to view sales as a form of help, not persuasion. Effective pitching centers on the client's needs and the value you provide, rather than your own desire for a project. Un fair advantage. Your unique set of circumstances, assets, or skills that give you a competitive edge. These are often overlooked because they seem common in your immediate circle. Examples include access to a university's corporate partnerships, prior business experience, or a specific cultural background. Identifying and leveraging these advantages is key to standing out. Professional packaging. The process of presenting your skills and experience professionally to secure a job. This includes your resume, portfolio, and online presence. Think of yourself as a product that needs the right packaging to be perceived as valuable. A document that summarizes your professional background for a design role. It should be clear, concise, and filled with quantifiable achievements. The focus should be on numbers and impact, rather than on overly stylistic design elements. Referrals. A job application method where a current employee recommends you for a position. Many companies prioritize referred candidates and often provide a bonus to the referring employee, making it a win-win situation. Securing referrals is a primary reason networking is so important. Exposure. Maximizing the number of job applications you submit. Rather than relying solely on heavily advertised platforms like LinkedIn, you should also use other job boards and apply broadly to increase your chances of getting an interview. Your why. The deep, personal reason behind your passion for design. This is the foundational motivation that sustains you through the long and challenging journey. It transcends specific tools or trends and is often rooted in a core personal experience, such as a moment where you witnessed how well-designed technology can positively impact someone's life. This purpose provides long-term direction and resilience.